Wow, there have been a lot of new updates related to the COVID-19 vaccinations. Today, I want to walk you through what I think your next steps ought to be. Hey guys, I'm Dr. Buffy, and I'm super excited to talk to you today about the vaccinations and where to go after you've completed your 3 clinics. We're going to geek out a little bit today and dive into some numbers and some data and really what your next steps are going to be. First, I want to demonstrate to you what the COVID-19 vaccination rates are in the United States. We know that this is our tool to being able to mitigate this virus, and so it's really important to understand where we're actually at. So you can go to this COVID-19 data tracker from the CDC. It's updated every single day at 8 p.m. Eastern, and it helps us to understand exactly the percentage of our population that's been vaccinated and really where we're at. So today, as we look here, we actually have a total of 30% of our population that has had at least 1 dose and 16.9% or about 17% that have been fully vaccinated. That may not seem like the highest of numbers, but it's definitely heading in the right direction. The research has demonstrated that there is a direct correlation between the number of COVID infections in the community and the number of COVID infections within nursing homes. So as the rates in our communities go down, so do our rates in our nursing homes. So it's really important to keep our eye on this. In addition, you can click on your state and it will take you to your COVID-19 vaccination process within your state. So this is a great tool that you can utilize in making sure that you're in alignment with your state. Next, I want to take you to the specific CDC website that is catered to long-term care. This is really critical for you to understanding what your next steps are after you've completed your 3rd clinic with the federal vaccination program. I get questions almost daily asking, what do I do now? So this is a great website that I want you to bookmark so that you can go to and see what those steps are and how to get vaccinations within your nursing home so that you can administer them to your residents as well as your staff. The main takeaway from this website that I want you to focus on is the very bottom, which states the next steps for long-term care facilities. First, you need to reach out to your long-term care pharmacy. This is the pharmacy that supplies the medications to your residents. Many pharmacies across the country are now able to receive the vaccinations, and then they can provide those vaccinations to your nursing homes. Next, if your pharmacy is not receiving the vaccinations, then you'll want to reach out to your state health department, and the link is here and will actually take you to your specific health department and their vaccination process. And then finally, you can reach out to your state immunization program, and they're going to have additional information for you. For example, I was helping a nursing home in Kentucky, and I reached out to the immunization program, and then they put me in touch with the people at the state that were finalizing the vaccination program. And so we had a real clear direction on where to go and how to get those vaccines. I hope this was helpful. You know, we create these videos to add value to you and your nursing home facility. We'd love to hear from you and what additional updates would be of value to you and how we can bring you that information. That's why I adopted her, because she wouldn't let go watch this. Like, she just hangs on, see?